Hello, I'm attorney Michelle Moss, and welcome to IP Poolside Chats. Why? Because I'm in Orlando, and IP is better when it's poolside. In today's IP Poolside Chat, we're going to be talking about IP, intellectual property. What is it, and why would you want to protect it? Simply put, intellectual property is a broad term that encompasses inventions or discoveries, literary works such as books, poetry, writing, dramatic works such as plays or movies. It can even include architectural plans and drawings, software code. It can also include artistic works such as photographs, paintings, sculptures. It can include songs and videos. It can also include business names, product names, slogans, logos, and also trade secrets. Intellectual property is protected by intellectual property law in the form of copyright, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. So I have other videos on my YouTube channel that discuss what trademarks and patents and copyrights are and the differences between them, but I will briefly discuss with you what is meant by trade secret. And essentially that is information that has independent value because it is generally not widely known and generally not ascertainable by the general public by normal means, and information that is also subject to reasonable efforts to maintain its secrecy. So it's information that could be exploited by others in the same industry or that they could use for value. And a good example of a trade secret would be the formula for Coca-Cola, which is obviously kept under lock and key and is widely considered to be a trade secret. Another example would be customer lists and information. That would be very valuable to other people in the same industry if they had the information about the customers' buying habits and things that they like and other things of that nature. And that information is usually closely held and kept very secret, and there's efforts to do that by certain companies. So the question is, now that we know what intellectual property is, why do you want to protect it? And the answer is simple: so you can profit from it. The goal of intellectual property law, or copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets, is to encourage innovation and sharing of ideas and inventions and poetry and artwork and discovery without fear by the authors or the creators or inventors that their discoveries or works are going to be stolen or misused and misappropriated by others. Intellectual property law allows us to create and invent works knowing that we can protect those works from exploitation by others so that we can profit from them and control their use. If you remember nothing else from today's poolside chat, please note that every business has valuable intellectual property. Their name, their reputation, their slogan, their logo, all of those things can be considered intellectual property and are closely associated with their brand. So you need to protect your intellectual property with trademark, copyright, patent, or trade secret so that you can profit from them and you can prevent others from misusing them. Thank you for being with me for today's IP Poolside Chat. And remember, IP is better when it's poolside.